What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leizel. Today's video is in partnership with Fashion Nova. I was able to pick out a bunch of pieces that I wanted to put together as outfits and basically show you guys what I chose and how I would style them. Before I get started, if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, you know what to do. Join the crew by hitting the little red subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get started. So the first item that I have to show you guys is actually a dress, and if you guys know me, I don't really do dresses. I don't know why, but when it comes to dresses, I just don't really gravitate towards them, especially ones like this style, but I wanted to give it a try. So it's this dress right here. This is called the Maura mesh, Maura, I think that's how you pronounce it. But yes, the Maura mesh dress. As you can see, it's got the mesh sleeves and the mesh detailing all over the body of the dress, and I really like this ruffled ruching that it has all the way down as well. And even though dresses aren't really my type, this is just such like a, I don't know, it's so sweet and cute that I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna go for a dress, like, it would be this kind. Like, it's white, you guys know that I love white, and just the detailing of it, I really like it. So I got this in a size extra small, and to be honest, when I opened it up, I was like, that's not gonna fit me. Like I said, I don't really gravitate towards dresses, and dresses that are tight fitting like this one, no, I don't really do those. But this one I actually really liked. I felt like it was very flattering on my body. It fit me really well, but there was enough stretch to it as well because it is quite a stretchy fabric. And I just really liked this dress. Like, it far exceeded my expectations. I was kind of going off on a whim, like thinking, yeah, that looks cute, but it probably won't suit me. But when I put it on, I was like, okay, like I could work with this. As you can see, the sleeves are off the shoulder, which I usually don't go for because I sometimes find them a little bit annoying. But these ones stayed in place, they didn't move around, and it was just actually a really comfortable dress to wear. So if I was ever to go out on a date night or a night out, I would probably wear this. Next up, I have a pair of heels to show you guys. I always like to pick up a pair of heels to kind of go with all the pieces that I choose for my hauls. So I chose this pair right here. So these are called the Lucite of You Mule Pump. I got these in a size 7. I actually really like the idea of clear acrylic, lucite, whatever you want to call it. I like the idea of clear shoes, heels that is. I just feel like they really elongate your legs, they make you look taller. Obviously heels make you look taller as it is, but when they are like nude in color, I feel like it just makes your legs go for days. So I picked these ones up because they don't actually come up all the way around the back of your heel, which I thought might be a little bit uncomfortable with this kind of style. They're kind of cut off right here, as you can see, which I like because it means for less sweaty feet. As some of you guys may know, sometimes when it comes to these type of shoes, you can get like all, you know, a little bit of condensation up in here, but they do have like little, if you guys can see right here, like air vents, if you want to call them that, so that you don't really get that happening with these. And they're actually really comfortable. The fact that there's nothing around the back of your heel, it's like you just slip your foot in there and you're good. I really like these. Next thing that I have to show you guys is a bag, and this one, as soon as I saw it, it definitely caught my eye. It has that like classic quilting design, and I just feel like the color, you guys know me, I love my nudes. So as soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, this is a bag that can go with many different outfits. As you can see, it comes with a gold chain, which you can obviously, you know, double up or leave like as a singular chain. However you want to carry it, you can tuck the other half inside. I like the gold hardware that it has, and when you open it up, it is very spacious inside. There's this little slot in here, and then of course the little zip pocket, and then the bag itself. I really like this. Like, I would wear this with so many different items, not just the things that I got in this haul, but like with other things as well. I feel like it is a very classic bag that can go with many different things. Next thing that I have to show you guys is actually something that I am currently wearing, and it is this top right here. So this is the Kiki top in the color Ivory. Now I do believe they have many different colors available for this top, and the reason why I picked it is because it is a basic. I feel like having a white top like this is a basic must have. It is a piece that can go with many different outfits, and as you guys will see throughout this haul, I actually did pair it up into different outfits throughout. I really like this crop top because it is super comfortable. I like the thin spaghetti straps as well, and for sizing reference I picked mine up in a size extra small. Next piece that I have to show you guys are a pair of pants, which are actually joggers to be exact. These are called the Satin Cover High Rise Joggers. As you can see, they are in the color black. I do believe they have like a nude taupe color and a khaki olive shade as well. I feel like these would be perfect if you're trying to have a casual day but you want to dress it up a little bit because it is that satin look material. As you guys can see, I paired mine up with the Kiki crop top and the heels, but you could of course just throw on a pair of sneakers with these and it would be a cute outfit too. For sizing reference, I picked up an extra small, and they're actually not too tight around the waist, but they're nice and loose around the rest of your bottom half. So like your butt and your legs, they're nice and flowy and loose, and yeah, I just like these because they fit nicely and they're super comfortable. Next up is a piece that I am actually also currently wearing, and it is this blazer right here. This is called the Not Your Casual Girl blazer. First off, let me just say I love the shade. It is just such a nice pastel blue color, which I wasn't sure if it was gonna suit me, but now that I have it on, I'm like, wow, I really like this. I also ended up pairing it up with the matching shorts. So these are the Not Your Casual Girl shorts in the same shade of blue, and this outfit already with the blazer, the shorts, and the cropped top, I feel like it looks very Parisian. I actually showed Alan and that's the first thing he said. He was like, wow, that looks really chic and Parisian, and I was like, you are right. Like, it is a very chic outfit. For sizing reference, I picked both of these up in a size extra small, and they are actually quite a loose fit. Like if I wanted to, I mean the extra small is the smallest, but I feel like it could have been a little bit tighter and more fitted, but as it is, I really like it. It's comfortable, it's flowy, it's breathable, it's easy to wear. It's not super structured like some blazers where you're like standing there and you can't really move properly. Like I feel like I've got free movement with these. I also like that the shorts aren't too short as well. These were really comfortable too, and I love like this detailing right here. I just realized that the shorts also have belt loops, so you could even pair up like a cute nude belt with this with like gold hardware and put it with the quilted bag. I feel like that would be a really cute outfit as well. But just as it is with the outfit that I put together with the crop top and the blue, the white and the blue, I feel like they go together really well. And I feel like this is the kind of item that I would wear like to a Sunday brunch if I was being really extra and I was going somewhere fancy for a Sunday brunch. This is what I'd wear. Next piece that I have to show you guys are these leggings. Now I typically wouldn't have gone for these, but I feel like leggings like these, like compared to your standard typical fabric look leggings, if that makes sense, ones like these, like the leather look, I feel like they're a staple. Like you need at least one pair of these. So I wanted to pick these up. I got mine in a size extra small, and let me just start off by saying my legs, I don't know how to describe them, but they're a little bit more muscular. So I sometimes have difficulty putting leggings that are really tight on because I have trouble getting them over my calves. Like my calves are actually, yeah, don't know where I'm going with this, but yeah, you get the point. Like it's hard for me to pull tight pants over my calves sometimes. So I will admit I did have a little bit of difficulty putting these on, but once I got them on, oh my gosh, they were tight like a glove. But it was great because they did not move at all. Like once you put them on, they suck everything in, they sit right, they're tight, and it just, yeah, it looks good. I feel like with leather look leggings like these, you don't want them to be all gathered and like crinkled, and just, you want them to be nice and smooth and tight and fit like a glove, and that's exactly what these did. So I found that these were very flattering for my body. I got these in a size extra small. Could I have gone up to a size small? Yeah, I think so, but even though these were a little bit difficult to put on, once I got them on, I was like, I'm glad I got this size. One thing as well is the fabric is quite thin, but because of the material that it is, it's really warm. Like I feel like I could wear these on a night out. Not that I go out anymore, but if I did, I could wear these on a night out. if it was a little bit chilly, like I would be good, because these are really warm and they cling to your body, and just, yeah, I actually really liked these. Last but not least, I actually picked up this trench coat. Now it's not like a heavy trench coat like you would expect a trench coat to be. It's a little bit more lightweight. It's not going to look flattering as I'm holding it up, but obviously you guys will see how it looks when I have it on. But this is called the Check Your Coat trench coat in the color Camel. I specifically wanted to pick this up because we are going into a little bit of cooler weather down here in Australia. Those of you guys who are up in the northern hemisphere obviously are going towards summer, but down here in the southern hemisphere we are going into winter. So I wanted to pick up a piece that I could utilize during the cooler months, and I feel like a trench coat, especially one in this like camel color, is a staple. It's something that you can throw over any black and white outfit to kind of bring in that color but neutral tone to it as well, which is why I decided to put it with those leather look leggings. But I would also even throw this over the dress that I got, the mesh dress that I showed you guys in the beginning. You know, if I was going out for dinner and I just needed something to cover me up a little bit more and keep me a little bit warm, I could even throw this on top of that. Like I said, I feel like a trench coat is a staple must have for the cooler weather, and that is exactly why I picked this one up. So for size reference, I did get this in a size small. Now it is not like a tight fitting piece, obviously, because it is a coat, but I do like that because it means you can layer up underneath should you need to. So those are all the pieces that I picked up for this Fashion Nova haul. Once again, thank you to Fashion Nova for partnering up with me on this to bring you guys this video. I want you to comment down below and let me know which piece or which outfit was your favorite. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're still here at the end watching and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the little red button down below before you go so you don't miss any more videos that I post. As always, I hope you guys are staying safe, taking care of yourselves. I will talk to you guys in the comments, and I will see you all in my next video.